Hello guys, in this video we are going to customize and change the taskbar size of Windows 11. At first we can change the orientation of the taskbar, and we have to type in here alignment. When we open it, and this is the place that it opens, you can enable search item, I don't know, turn it on and turn these options off, and this is the options that you can put on the corner of the taskbar, and this is the taskbar behavior. On the taskbar behavior you can change the alignment on the center, and I can say the left. I don't know which one I have to choose. I think this is nice, but I like this. Okay. And if you enable this, it will automatically hide the taskbar, which I don't like it. Okay, this is the, for example, a few things that you can do, and here you have to type RezaSediq restore editor, and here you have to click on the current user, then go to the software, then find Microsoft. In here you have to find Windows. Let's find the Windows. Where is it? Windows. Okay. On the Windows you have to find current version. Let me pull this current version. On the current version you have to buy Explorer. Where's the Explorer? It is in here. On the Explorer, on the advanced place, on this place, I mean, you have to right click, then new, and add keyboard 32-bit value, and the DC value that we have to create, and the name of this is Taskbar SI. You have to type it like this. The capital letters and the small letters have to be like this. Then click on that. When you press and select 0, it will show the taskbar small, and when you press on the 1, it is medium, and number 2 is large. I wanted to press 0 and see what is going on with the small size. When I press OK, I have to restart my computer. So I stop recording and restart my computer, and let's see what is going on. As you can see, my taskbar size changed, but I don't like it. And again, I wanted to change it. The name of that is taskbar size. I wanted to delete it, then restart the computer. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. If you like and subscribe the channel, I will put another videos, and I wanted to make the quality of the videos better, and then the channel monetized. I will put the cool videos, the videos format, and the videos, I mean quality, becomes more and becomes to better than this. Don't forget to like and subscribe.